Welcome back to another episode of the Tip Share. This week, what is the New Mexico Healthy Workplaces Act of 2021? The Healthy Workplace Act of 2021 takes effect on July 1st, 2022, and requires all private employers in New Mexico to allow employees to accrue and use earned sick leave. Employees may use this leave for several reasons listed in the Act. For example, taking care of a qualifying family member or recovering from an illness themselves. What is the background around this? Employers with paid time off policies that are among more generous than the minimum accrual and usage limits specified in the new law are compliant with the new law under their existing PTO plan, if employees may use the leave for the same purposes and under the same terms and conditions specified in the new law. Tipped employees who are ordinarily paid less than full minimum wage due to a tip credit must receive the full state or local minimum wage, whichever is greater, when using earned sick leave. Hourly employees would be paid their regular hourly wage. An employer may not require, as a condition of an employee's using accrued earned sick leave, that the employee search for or find a replacement worker to cover the hours during which the employee is using earned sick leave. Employers can satisfy the reporting provision and stay in compliance with the new law by reporting accrued and used sick leave on employees' wage statements each payroll. Employers are not required to pay an employee for accrued but unused earned sick leave upon an employee's termination, resignation, retirement, or other separation from employment. Under the Healthy Workplaces Act of 2021, employees accrue 1 hour of earned sick leave for every 30 hours that they work. An employer may instead choose to front-load employees the full 64 hours of earned sick leave in a lump sum. Of course, an employer may choose a higher accrual rate or higher front-loaded amount. Under the Healthy Workplaces Act of 2021, employees are not entitled to use more than 64 hours of accrued earned sick leave per 12-month period unless the employer selects a higher limit. Usage reasons. Number 1, because of a mental or physical illness, injury, or health condition. Number 2, the need to seek medical diagnosis, care, or treatment of a mental or physical illness, injury, or health condition. The need to seek preventative medical care due to domestic abuse, sexual assault, or stalking. To take care for or assist a family member through any of the situations listed in reasons 1 through 4. And finally, the need to attend meetings at their child's school or place of care related to the child's health or disability. Up to 64 hours of accrued but unused earned sick leave shall carry over from one plan year to the next. Additional resources can be found at dws.state.nm.us/nm paid sick leave. The information below is based on the minimum requirements of the New Mexico Earned Sick Leave Plan, and the following should be reported on each employee's pay stub for hours worked on and after July 1st, 2022. Number 1, the amount of earned sick leave, ESL for short, for the current pay period. Number 2, the total amount of ESL accrued for the year, capped again at 64 hours per year. Number 3, the amount of ESL available for use, capped at 64 hours per year. The amount of ESL taken for the current pay period. And number 5, the total amount of ESL taken for the benefit year, capped at 64 hours per year. Thanks so much for tuning in to this week's episode of the Tip Share, and as always, we'll see you next week.